Since February 14, 2023, our system ranks QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.084. In this period the stock has not performed as our systems expected and actually had a loss of -4.07% so far. This is an average return of -0.68% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, Stronger technical forecast for QQQ ETF price after Wednesday trading. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.0748% on the last trading day, Wednesday, February 22, 2023, rising from $294.03 to $294.25. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 1.3% from a day low at $292.56 to a day high of $296.36. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -5.04% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 4 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 50 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $14.78 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $371.83, and the lowest price was $254.26. Right now the price is 20.86%, or $77.58, below 52-week high, and 28.01%, or $114.46, below all-time high November 22, 2021, where the price hit $408.71. The ETF lies in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 8.58% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 1.68% and 17.03%. The 12-month trend indicates a -16.29% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -34.75% and -10.20%. This equals a price between $192.01 and $264.24 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $301.87. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $289.98. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has fallen -5.60%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $293.36, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the ETF moved $3.80, 1.3%, between high and low. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.53%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.93. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $306.18. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $293.36, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $279.82, minus 4.90%. This ETF has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 13 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 23rd, we expect QQQ to open up $0.140 and start trading at $294.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember